Hello. I'm Ruby. I'm Lily. And today we're showing you a tour of our house. So basically we are going to
Girls, what are you doing in our room?
Dad, we share a room, remember?
Your what?
We share a room. Honey, they share a room with us.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, this is our bathroom. Sister, what is it? I kinda have to use the bathroom. Okay, give her 1 second. Here. Okay. Be quick though, we have to finish the tour. Just turn this thing off real quick. Sister, what? I need help. Okay. Here. Wipey. Okay, now you go finish, and I'll go, throw this away. Oh, and here's your pacifier. Thank you. Okay, now, come on. Can you sit down real quick? Okay. Here, do you want me to brush your hair? Fine. Are you okay? Come on. Now we gotta go to the second floor. Okay. Come on. Now the second floor is a bit more, should I say empty? Because most of our things are downstairs, so. This is our living room, and, this is all our cabinets and stuff. This is where we keep all our snacks. And we're still moving in still. That's why most of it is still empty. And this is the guest room. Because, yes. And, this is our pool. Yes, we have a pool. Pool! You're not supposed to get in the pool. Now, come on. So, it's about time we go downstairs. And, yes. I hope you like this video. Bye!